In this video, we are going to show you how to prepare your new Canon Business Inkjet WG7600 Series for installation. Take care to cut through the packaging tape with a suitable knife or a pair of scissors. Carefully lift off the lid and lift out this cardboard tray, which contains important documents and accessories for your machine. Next, lift out this protective polystyrene packaging before lifting up and removing the body of the cardboard box. You can now remove these stickers on all four sides. At the back, remove these covers and locate this cable, which runs from the cassette feeding unit and plugs into the main body of the machine. Replace the covers. Locate these additional protective covers and tighten them into place using a small coin or a screwdriver. You may now remove all the orange tabs and protective tape from the rest of the machine. Let's plug your machine in. Attach this clamp piece into these holes and plug in your power cord. The shape of your cord may depend on your country or region. Use the clamp to securely fasten the power cord and hold it into place like this. Place this protective cover at the bottom of the right side of the machine. Attach the book pocket to either the left or rear side of the machine. This is a great place to store your instruction manual. There's also this handy niche to store your glass cleaning sheet. If you need to, you can easily wheel your machine to its final position. When you have it in place, secure it by tightening these stoppers. This final brake will keep your machine secure. Congratulations, you've successfully assembled your Business Inkjet WG7000 complete with a cassette feeding unit, and you're ready to move on to the next step of the installation.